Imagine pouring your heart and soul into creating something unique, a product, a brand, or an invention, only to discover someone else is using it without your permission. It's a frustrating and often intimidating situation, but you absolutely have avenues to protect your innovation. Proving unauthorized intellectual property use primarily relies on gathering clear, undeniable evidence of both your ownership of the IP and the other party's unauthorized access to or copying of your creation. This evidence often takes the form of documentation, timestamps, and direct comparisons. The legal system requires tangible proof because intellectual property rights, whether copyright, trademark, or patent, are designed to protect original creations and prevent unfair competition. Establishing a clear chain of custody for your creation and demonstrating the infringer's direct use of your work are fundamental to a successful claim. First, you must establish your undisputed ownership. For copyrights, this means having registration certificates from the United States Copyright Office, dated drafts, or clear records of creation. For trademarks, it's about registration with the United States Patent and Trademark Office and showing continuous use in commerce. For patents, your issued patent document is critical. Next, gather evidence of the alleged infringement. This includes screenshots, photographs, product samples, website archives, marketing materials, or any other tangible items demonstrating the other party's use of your intellectual property. Document dates, times, and specific locations where the infringement occurred. It is also crucial to show access or substantial similarity. Access means proving the infringer had a reasonable opportunity to see or obtain your intellectual property before creating their infringing work. Substantial similarity means that an ordinary observer would recognize the infringing work as having been copied from yours, even if it is not an exact replica. Expert testimony from fields like forensic analysis, design, or engineering can be invaluable here, helping to compare and contrast the works and highlight similarities that might not be obvious to a layperson. Maintaining detailed logs of communications, including cease-and-desist letters and their responses, also forms part of your evidence portfolio. An often overlooked but powerful piece of evidence is the concept of reverse engineering a timeline. By meticulously tracking the infringer's product launch or content publication dates against your own documented creation and disclosure timeline, you can often reveal a pattern that strongly suggests copying rather than independent creation. Also, remember the importance of metadata embedded in digital files, which can provide creation dates, author information, and modification histories, offering irrefutable timestamps. By systematically collecting proof of your ownership, meticulously documenting the alleged infringement, demonstrating access or substantial similarity, and leveraging expert insights, you build a robust case. This proactive and evidence-driven approach not only strengthens your legal position, but also significantly increases your chances of successfully protecting your valuable intellectual property and preventing future unauthorized use.